course, initially, normal yun na may anxiety. Pag the time na na-diagnose, normal yun na may takot. Normal yun na may feeling of hopelessness and helplessness kasi yung utak mo, dala-dala mo siya 24/7 eh, di ba? So you need to address that kasi kung hindi 24/7 ka magdudusa. Yung corrective emotional experience, if the person feels like wala naman akong anyone, wala namang everybody abandon me, they have difficulty, naaapektuhan ng mental health nila. Sometimes, no, when you feel like you're not accepted and that everyone is looking at you, parang ayaw mo nang lumabas ng bahay. So you try to isolate yourself. Sometimes the burden of the virus to the brain also adds to the mental health condition, no? Pag nasa full-blown and very active yung virus, it goes to the brain as well. And it's not only the disease not causing no, the actual virus, but it's also the effect of the disease to the person, the self-stigma. It's also the effect of the stigma of other people, no? And yung mga pinagdaanan nila, some of them, they went through a lot in life before sila naging positive. Now, having someone in counseling would also heal. When you do counseling, you're not only processing the experience nila, no, but you are also becoming a healing channel to them. When they see na, okay, there's this person I can count on. So, yun ang goal ng counseling, no? Para ma-heal yung experience, not only to process the negative experience, but to heal the brokenness, the pain that a person experience. And of course, the role of spirituality, no? The role of experiencing a relationship with God. Wala talaga tayong kakapitang iba kundi ang Panginoon eh. I mean, yun talaga siya eh. So, importante yung yes, of course, the family support and all that, community support, but yung mag-go through sila ng counseling.